Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a look using the Dramatic Boutique No More Nudes palette. Here is the unicarton. Here's the back of the unicarton. So cute. Super excited about this. I was only able to get the palette this time around, but you know, to me that's the most important. And then here is the palette itself. Very cute. So sexy, really. The inside. So a nice long mirror. It's a good quality mirror as well for people who care. And then here are the shades. You have some mattes, you have some shimmers. Let me turn this down a hair. You have some mattes, shimmers, and glitters in there. You have plenty of color to play around with, and then some basic shades for maybe some transition shades, whatnot, and a black, which will really help deepen up any color. There, got that out. You don't know how many times I've tried. All right, so I'm not really sure. I mean, I kind of have like, I don't know. I kind of have in mind, like, I definitely want to play with color, but like maybe like a colored liner and then dip into some of the neutral shades. So let's just have fun. So if you don't know about Paige or her brand Dramatic Boutique, I definitely recommend you check out her channel to give you a little bit of history on how she came to start her brand. That's mostly why I wanted to support it. I just thought it was really neat. And then just to be so open and honest about things, it's just totally cool. Anyhow, let's get into this shadows. So I guess I can swatch a couple for you. Let's swatch, I really like Social Blades, really pretty. Let's swatch the Bag, which is this shimmery green. And then let's swap wHaT right here. Oh, those are so pretty. Look at that. Let me try this. I suck at swatching. For anybody who's watched my videos, you know that is very much true. Wow. Okay. They swatched really nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, the blue matches my hoodie so much. I think definitely I'm going to be going in with that green for my liner moment. So let's just start. So I'm just going to take this brush here. Oh, it's the Naked Cherry brush. And I'm going to take Jen here and just kind of brush that over my lid space just to kind of set for creasing. Look at these glitters. God, those are pretty. They feel nice. I do struggle sometimes with glitters. Sometimes it's nice to put down a glitter glue just anyhow. God, those are pretty. So I'm gonna jump into T right here and buff that into my crease. Wow, it sure picks up nice. Yeah, we're not holding that big old palette and trying to do this. Blend it out really nice. Let's go back in just to build it up a little. I like that I can get a nice wash of color out of this and then build it up to be a little bit darker. I love a buildable shadow. Also, I'll link it down below. I believe it was $44 US. So, and then I think I paid $6 shipping. So it was kind of on the pricey side for me. I'm just a cheap bitch, but I'll link it down below and I'll post like the price down there just so you guys know exactly how much it was. And that's why I was only able to get some of the products. I'm on a budget. All there is to it. I think what I want to do is I think I want to use the green shimmer in the inner corner and start a liner and then maybe transition it to the blue, the matte blue color, just because it's so pretty. So I'm not doing a whole lot up here as far as color because I want the focus to be the liner. So maybe I should bring the brown down a little bit because I don't think I want a whole lot of separation between that. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna bring the brown down. I'll probably even bring it down a little further. I'm gonna take the other side of this brush and smudge some along my, along my lower lash line. Buffing that out. I'm also gonna put some purple on my lower lash line as well. Okay, so what I'm going to try and do, because I want these colors to like really pop, is I'm gonna use my Gerard Cosmetics, what is this? Clean Canvas or whatever it's called, in white. And I'm gonna try to shape out my liner with this so that the colors really show up. Okay, so good enough. I'm gonna do the other side real quick, let this dry, and then we'll jump back into it. Okay, so that's both eyes done. So I'm just gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna dip into, it's not perfect either, I know, the bag right here, this shimmery green color, and start that on the inner corner. Okay, so I just went about like midway on both eyes. It's taking like no time at all. It's not perfectly crisp, but that's okay. I'm not. So taking a different liner brush, well, this is a brow brush. Doesn't matter, no. I'm gonna get into wHaT right here and then do the outer portion of the liner. Such a pretty color. I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and then I think what I'll do is I'll jump into OnlyFans and put that just towards the beginning part of the blue because it's a shimmer, just kind of to help with that transition. Okay, so both eyes done, just using the same brush, dipping into OnlyFans. Over that green shimmer, that makes a really pretty color. A really pretty teal. Okay, so now that I have both eyes done, I'm gonna jump into Cam Girl right here and put that on the lower lash line as well. And then kind of just blend those two shades together. Perfect. So that is the liner and the look so far. I really like it. I mean, that blue, and it matches my hoodie. I did not plan for that. I swear I did not plan for that. But I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes real quick just to see where we're at, if there's anything I want to change up, add to, whatever with this look. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got my lashes on. They're just some AliExpress lashes that I've bought a long time ago. I always use them. I put on this nude NYX lip liner, and then I tossed some Stila smudge stick. It says waterproof, thank God, because my eye started watering. But I put this in my waterline. What color is this? It's lionfish, and it's almost like a coppery shimmery color. So I think to complete this look, which I love, I'm going to use a little bit of this e.l.f. Seafoam glitter liner, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. Just kind of wiggle it around there to spread around some of the glitter. Cute. And this is the completed look. Winston's just so over it. He's like, stop it, mommy, play with me. I know, I see you and you're cute. So this is the completed look. I love how it turned out. I love me like a nice graphic liner like moment. Not so much like drawing across my lid, but just having fun with my eyeliner. I think it's a really subtle but cool way to do pops of color. Anyhow, guys, I would totally recommend this palette. It's 18 pans. Hey now, it is 18 pans in there, which is pretty good for the price point, and I definitely will be excited to check out more things from the brand. Congratulations, Paige, on your success. I think it's totally awesome. Anyhow, guys, have a good day. Bye.